Now let's try the button list menu. This is a menu that will be embedded at the top of the screen and will be especially useful for creating submenus within a category of our app. It will help us to create subsections inside the card of each animal. We can add, in addition to the description that we already had, a page with pictures of the different species. Shall we try it? Once again, from the Modules window, click on the Add Menu button. Here, we will search and add button list. It will be added at the bottom of the module screen, so we will have to drag it to the inside of our main menu. I will place it right next to Lion and then insert his HTML module into the new menu. Before seeing how it works, I have made another screen with the HTML module in which I have inserted a list with the different breeds of lions that exist. I also add this new module to its interior and step to configure the button list menu. As in the previous one and in the Polymer, the first thing will be to change the name of this module. I will name it Lion since the title will be shown in the group list menu, where we will add it later. We click on Add another button to the list twice and link the first one with the lion card and the second one with the lion photographs. We will be asked to insert a name for the button. This title will be the one shown in the button list. The first one we call Description, the second one Species. We click on Save. We mark as main the lion card if we don't have it marked, and we see the result. As you can see, a button has been added at the top of the screen from which we can access the different subsections of this animal. We can add as many subsections as we want, but I recommend not to include more than 3 or 4, since those that you add more will not fit on the screen, and to access them, the user will have to slide the menu, increasing the possibilities of never seeing them. The customization of this menu is somewhat more limited. The colors of it will be modifiable from the Customize section of the Builder.